Welcome guys to the ultimate fighting of kitties. Kitties will fighting to the death. So do you see that one? That is Ash. And that down his name is Smoke. And let's see guys the ultimate fight. Oh, he smack him. He's running. He's jumping. That big cat his name is Orange, and I hope for Orange can do a little better. 1 second, I will be back. The ultimate fight still continues and more kitties. And don't play with my Wii U please. Oh, the fighting is started. Fighting. Whoa. Epic jump. Come on man. He's running, he's jumping too. He's knock him off. His mother said, "What you doing children? Go out." And he said, "Okay mother." "Hello, Nyan. Hello, I am the new Cortez." Oh, the mother is fighting. So epic. Whoa, he's knock him. They go inside here. Whoa, fighting. Fight. Oh, he crushed him. Oh. The ultimate fight. He jumping. Smack him. They're running. They're still fighting. Come on, fighting. Whoa, he's coming. He want to eat them. That is so brutal. Mob battle. Fighting to the death. Okay. Oh. He's fainted. Whoa. you are, you are just too fat. You cannot climb that. I feel bad about him. Wow. What was that? Oh. Come on. Oh my god. He smacked him. Whoa. A ghost. Smoke is a ghost. Let's continue the fighting. The wind it just came again guys. And opened the door. Whoa. The fighting will continue. Obviously, that is the epic battle. Battle. Come on. What will do? Whoa. He make him afraid. Whoa. Hello. Hello, guys. Guys, thumbs up. Peace out. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye. Bam.